Whoa, okay. Let's turn it back on. There we go. Welcome to my new setup here. My new YouTube setup for 2022. My name is Alex. Welcome to my channel. I do a lot of gear reviews, especially in videography when it comes to mirrorless cameras, especially with the R6. You guys can check out that previous videos on my channel. And so that's what I've been doing lately. And also I do product reviews or anything regarding to tech. I'm there. So you'll definitely see a lot of more upcoming videos on this platform. And I hope you guys like this new setup, because this took quite a bit just to get it all figured out. So the way I would like it to. But it's pretty cool. It's pretty fun. This is going to be a great journey in 2022, I hope. And so for all to my subscribers out there, thank you so much for your support. I'll definitely leave my Instagram account down here somewhere. And it's a new Instagram account, so go ahead and give me a follow. I'm going to be posting a lot of pictures there too as well as videos and reels and so forth. As the year progresses into 2022, there's definitely a lot to talk about, especially when it comes to my laptop. And so I'll be doing those reviews as well. But again, I'm so excited for you to be part of this. And don't forget to also like my videos, watch my videos, and yeah, let me guys tell me your thoughts on. Leave me your comments down below and tell me your thoughts. Do you guys like this setup? And also there's an overhead as well, so we're gonna go ahead and top down as well. But again, I'm so excited to present new content for you guys, and I want to welcome you. All right, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.